Hey friend, and welcome. Today I'm on a crusade to stop Rosemary from staging a clogging revolt in my shaker. Let's see if this laughable hack is actually what saves the day. Let me ask you, have you ever tried sprinkling dried rosemary and ended up with a shaker that may as well be filled with concrete? It's like the rosemary is staging a protest against your seasoning efforts. Frustrating, right? It's like they're formulating a union. No flavor for you. Here's the scoop. Rosemary leaves are sneaky little troublemakers. They block the shaker holes like they're on a mission to ruin your meal. Shaking, tapping, even pleading with the shaker doesn't help. It's as if the leaves have formed a rosemary SWAT team ready to sabotage your plans. You might have seen some wild attempts to fix this, like someone using a hairdryer to dehydrate the rosemary, hoping that it will magically stop clumping, or maybe a shaker with holes so big that they're hoping some rosemary will just tumble out. Spoiler alert, these don't work. But fear not, I have a foolproof hack to save your culinary sanity. Here's the secret. Give those leaves a little TLC with a mortar and pestle. Or if you're feeling adventurous, a bowl and a heavy-bottomed glass or mason jar. Grind them up into a finer texture. Or you could use a food processor. Just don't turn them into rosemary dust. We're not making an herb cake here. Just something to crush those pesky leaves and a shaker. This hack is a total game changer. No more shaking like you're trying to start a maraca band. Just a sprinkle of rosemary on your dish is bursting with flavor. It's super simple, no special gadgets or culinary wizardry. Got any hilarious shaker disasters or genius tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below, and make sure you check out our other kitchen hacks for more ways to make cooking a breeze.